Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi on Samsung mobile phone through scan QR code. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on Samsung mobile phone setting, then from here just move on to connections. After you have been moved on connections, here just click on this Wi-Fi here. Then here on the upside you are going to find this scanner. Sorry, you have to on this one, then only scanner, click on scanner. So let's put this one, and now let's move on this another device to setting, and from here Wi-Fi. Then here too you have to click on this middle that has been connected. After it has been connected, here Wi-Fi QR code, click on this Wi-Fi QR code, and here is said verify my fingerprint. No, so now let's scan it. So here it has been scanned already, and now it's connecting. It has been connected, right? So you can connect it like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.